Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. Well, today I have got one of my favorite books. This book I have read it long back, but I keep on hopping back on this book. I don't know why. I have never got enough from this book. I feel that there is something which I'm missing out and there's something which I need to again reread it. And trust me, it's one of the bestest books I've ever read. To break the suspense, it is none other than Robin Sharma, Who Will Cry When You Die. It is one of my favorites. I'm sure many of y'all would have heard this, would have read this book, but for the ones who don't know about it, please go ahead and start reading this book. I'm sure this is a life changer for you. Today I have got chapter 31 for you all, and it says, List your problems. A problem well stated is a problem half solved, by Charles Catherine. There is something very special that happens when you take out a piece of paper and list every single problem of yours. It is very much like the peaceful feeling you get after talking to your best friend about something that's been troubling or bothering you. It is just that heavy feeling which falls down from your shoulders. You feel lighter, calmer, and freer. I have discovered that while our minds can be our best friends, they can also be our worst enemies. Let me repeat this line. Our minds can be our best friends, but they can also be your worst enemies. The mind is strange, as the things you wanted to remember, it forgets. And all those things which you want to forget, it always remembers. And this is so true. I've got so many counselees coming to me and saying that they are still mad, they're still angry, they're still annoyed with someone who did something with them maybe 10 years ago, 15 years ago, 18 years ago. Just a simple cab driver, a helper, parent, friends, colleagues who've spoken in a very bad manner and which has just got stuck into the memory and you're not able to overcome it. What happens is most of your energy is being drained out because of all these experiences. The best way to clear it out is to let it out. Yeah? To let go of the mental clutter that your problems tend to generate, list all your worries on a piece of paper. If you do so, they will no longer be able to fester in your mind and drain your valuable energy. This simple exercise will also permit you to put your problems into perspective and tackle them in an orderly, well-planned sequence. I strongly believe that nobody, but it's only us who knows our problem the best. Well, it's very easy for us to just call a friend or just go to our go-to person and vent out or maybe clarify your thoughts or maybe get another perspective on that situation, of that moment. But there are times when maybe the person is not available, maybe the go-to person is not able to understand, maybe the person is not able to be there for you at that very moment, or maybe it's you who are not able to convey or not able to speak out at that very moment. What do we do then? That is the best time for you to remove a piece of paper and pen down your problems. Reread them, understand them, analyze them. And trust me, with at most peace of mind, you will get the best of solutions which will help you overcome these problems. Peace of mind, relaxation of mind definitely leads you to much more practical and doable solutions. This will not only help you overcome your problem, but this will also help you grow, mature, understand, and also love yourself more. Be self-dependent. It's a wonderful feeling. I'm sure many of y'all would have been practicing this exercise of writing down your own worries or your problems why don't you share with me your experiences, and I would be more than happy to know them, to even be there with you while you are going through. Thank you so much.